This is an Elgin 1905 pocket watch. It's only about 3,000 of them were made. It's a 7 jewel, and it it's 14 karat gold. You can see the auction. Let's see here. See if I can fit a zoom out and the circumference is about 1 1/8 inch, and it's a small pocket watch. I wanted to zoom into the action to show you that it works perfectly, keeps great time, it's accurate even right now as we speak, and yeah, this is a great little watch. That's the Elgin 1905 7 jewel. Serial number is 12136041.